The Ulefone Armor 34 Pro versus the Oukitel WP100 Titan. Which of the two 5G rugged beasts is equipped with the best specs? Well, in this video we are going to find out. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive in. So there we go, guys, the Armor 34 Pro versus the WP100 Titan. Which of the two 5G rugged phones do you think is equipped with the best specs? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.